All right. Hello, my name is Edeson, the CEO of Edeson INFOTECH Global Services. I am with, beautiful young ladies. What is your name?
My name is
Esther, what?
My name
What is your name?
is
Okay, so you're studying at Edeson INFOTECH Global Services Computer School,
Yes.
and this is your computer manual,
Yes.
and it was presented to you today by me and the Edison. And you like the manual very well.
Yes, I love
Okay, so this is the new Edeson Infotech Desktop Publishing Computer Training Manual. It's an ebook, and as you can see, Esther and Epsiba just got their own copies, and you too can when you study at Edeson Infotech Global Services. All right.